Chicago Public School students return to the classroom today after winter break, but there are questions about whether they will stay there.
Teachers are voting on whether to defy orders from the district and return to remote learning. WGN's political reporter Taman Bradley is live in Lincoln Park, where Mayor Lightfoot is visiting businesses today. Taman.
Lourdes and Ben, after a 2-week holiday break, CPS buildings were backpacked with students, but the teachers are worried about COVID. Today, winter break ended and classes resumed at Chicago Public Schools. But for how long? The Chicago Teachers Union is set to vote on whether to defy CPS's in-person program and have members work remotely.
We are in a surge, one of the biggest surges we've seen.
Despite record COVID-19 cases in the city, Mayor Lightfoot and CPS want to keep kids in school. Today, the mayor did not take questions from local reporters during a visit to a Pilates class. She did make time for CNBC.
One of the things that doesn't get reported on in coverage of saber rattling by teachers union leadership is the devastating effect that remote learning had on our children and on their families. We know that learning loss was profound.
CPS sent roughly 150,000 COVID-19 tests to hundreds of schools and neighborhoods hit hard by the pandemic. Students were asked to take the tests and return them, but thousands were deemed invalid. Not to mention some samples were delayed in transition and could not be processed before classes resumed. CTU is demanding increased testing and better masks distributed at schools, and they want to halt in-person learning temporarily so that more safety protocols can be put in place.
This new variant is also affecting the vaccinated and the boosted. We're going to fight for the mitigations, set up testing here, regular testing.
The CTU's House of Delegates will convene tomorrow, and all of the union's 25,000 members will receive an electronic ballot asking if they prefer working remotely or in person starting Wednesday. In a statement, the mayor said in part, "What we have learned from this pandemic is that schools are the safest place for students to be. We have spent over $100 million to put mitigations in place. Most CPS staff members are vaccinated, and we generally see little transmission in school settings." Some Chicago aldermen have reached out to CPS, urging them to try to strike an agreement with CTU over new safety protocols. Well, the fact of the matter is they have been trying to work out an agreement, and they've been unsuccessful. We're live from Lincoln Park. Taman Bradley, WGN News.
All right, Taman, thank you. And